It's Sambalpur Shorthand Dictation. Speed 90 words per minute. Dictation starts in 5 seconds. He was in search of some job and learned that a notice had been published by the Regional Deputy Director, Health Services Sambalpur Division for inviting applications to fill up different posts lying vacant in Sambalpur Division. Stop. Pursuant to the said notice, he is said to have applied and was asked to appear for written examination. Stop. He was finally selected for the post of clerk and accordingly White appointment letter. He was appointed to the post of clerk and was posted at General Hospital, Oitapalli, Stop and Para. The petitioner was subsequently posted at Primary Health Center, Oitapalli, Stop, by an order issued by Civil Surgeon Chief Medical Officer, Oitapalli Services of altogether 46 persons were terminated on the ground that their initial appointments itself were irregular. Stop. Service of petitioner was also terminated. Stop. Subsequently, the order of termination was set aside by this court. Stop. Petitioner was reinstated in service with retrospective effect and was directed to join at his earlier place of posting. Stop. During his posting, a show cause notice was served upon him asking him to explain the validity of his appointment. Stop. The petitioner filed his show cause along with relevant documents. Stop. After marathon arguments, the differences on issues of law were greatly reconciled because the parties agreed by consensus that in view of overall factual profile of these cases, the recent judgment of the Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court shall govern the cases of the affected employees and legal issues shall be treated to have been settled by the law declared by the Constitution Bench in the aforesaid judgment. Stop and para. In view of such consensus on the part of the lawyers appearing for the aforesaid employees and the counsel for the state, the task of deciding those letters, patent appeals, and writ petitions has become considerably easy because the learned counsel for the affected employees accepted that the letters, patent appeals, as well as the writ petitions be disposed of with a direction to Department of Health to scrutinize the cases of the affected employees afresh on the basis of relevant materials and in view of law declared by the aforesaid Constitution Bench judgment so as to find out the cases of those affected employees which can be termed only as irregular appointments and not illegal appointments and then take the steps to regularize the services of such irregularly appointed employees as a one-time measure. It is useful to notice that. Stop and over. This dictation was presented by Sambalpur. Keep practicing.